In a perfect world, all automotive engineers would get together to create the perfect car. The right chassis combined with the right engine with the right interior. Just imagine the possibilities. But whilst that dream will never be a reality, Basco has taken this series and delivered the ultimate timing belt kit. Now, instead of designing and making each individual part that makes up a timing belt kit, they have taken the best that's available to combine it into the ultimate timing belt kit. Let's look at their kits for one of Australia's most popular four-wheel drives, the 3-litre diesel KUN26 Toyota Hilux and its little brother, the KUN16 Workmate. All core items such as the belt tensioners and the bearings use the same components that OEM use, such as gates, NTN, GMB, Koyo and other highly sourced components found in the OEM. Not only that, but included are the oil seals as well, which are specific to the Australian market. Another added benefit is kits can also include not only water pumps but your drive pulleys and belts as well, making the ultimate timing belt kit to keep your customers' vehicles as reliable as possible. Basco goes above and beyond the standard offering with timing belt kits for an impressive 99% of vehicles found in Australia. This means that regardless of the car you drive, Basco ensures that you're receiving a kit comprising of the finest components tailored for your vehicle. But what if I told you that not all OEM parts meet the highest standards? Basco has taken the challenge, dedicated years to research and testing to identify and address any flaws in OEM components. With Basco, you're not just getting a replacement, you're upgrading a kit that has been refined to ensure that only the highest quality components make it to your vehicle. For more information, visit the Basco website at bascowholesale.com.au.